Hey guys, how you doing? Dewan Harden here in my channel, and today's video is about affiliate marketing for dummies. If you're not familiar with my channel, I talk about learning how to work from home, creating a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And so getting down to the nitty-gritty of this video here today. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is any product, whether it be physical or non-physical products, that you can sell on behalf of someone else and receive a commission for it. And what I mean by physical or non-physical, such as physical, you have products like cameras. If you're selling, like, if you're focusing on, if you're a camera person, you like to have all the latest gadgets with those things. Or if you're a person that likes drones, there's a lot of videos out here on YouTube where people are showing videos on cameras and drones and things like that. And they're taking all these awesome shots and great footage using these products. And then at the very end, as they're giving a review on them, you see down in the description, they give you a link down there where you can get to all these products. And these links are all affiliate links. So these guys are actually making a profit off of after they're doing their work of giving you a great review on the product, they're giving you an option so that you can buy it, and then they receive a piece of the portion out of that there for it. And that's a physical product. Non-physical products would be things such as like products that have tutorials behind them that show you how to do things and so on and so forth. Those are non-physical products, and they have a lot of value behind them, which will cause a customer to either buy or not buy. And when it comes to like these physical products, affiliate marketing is everywhere when it comes to physical products. If you're not aware, like Amazon has an affiliate program where you can sell everything that Amazon has to offer and receive a commission on it. You'll have to go to like Amazon affiliate personally to see their actual commission structure on what they pay. Like it could be anywhere from like 4 to 10% or more or less. I don't think it's less than 4%, but yeah, you have to look at those to see those offers there. I personally don't sell any products on Amazon affiliates, but that's not to say that I won't later on in the future. I focus on the non-physical products, things that have a huge value behind them, tutorials, how to do things, and so on and so forth. That's my niche market. And that's the next thing of once we get from knowing the different types of affiliate markets that are available, it's finding the niche market that's beneficial to you. What are you passionate about? So my passion is work from home and, like I said, lifestyle, freedom, fulfillment, passion, all that. So I teach people on learning how to work from home. So I'm helping you at the same time you're helping me. So that's where I'm at with that. You could be in that physical product niche market where you want to sell gadgets and things like that. You want to sell toys, or you might be a person that you're fascinated with dogs and cats and things like that, and you want to sell products of that nature that are suitable for dogs and cats to customers out there all across the world. And that's an awesome niche to be a part of. So you want to find whatever niche that you're, passionate about, and you want to focus on that, grow that, get it to the level you want to get it to, and then you can go into other different markets if you want to, because once you master one, then you can do them all. That's bottom line. So once you figured out what your niche is, from that point on, getting into the whole business of affiliate marketing, first and foremost, you have to have the mindset. Your mind has to be on the right path. You have to be narrow-minded when it comes to everything else. You can't let people sway you, and you can't sway your own self. You have to be you just have to have that driving force for yourself and push through. Don't expect that you're going to start getting sales right away doing this type of business. You got to think about the long game. That's what was taught to me, and that's what I'm going to be giving to you. So you want to practice on, building and scaling up from there. So once you have your mindset right, and you may be that kind of person where it takes for you have to listen to some audios, you got to read some books, or you got to if you're a visual person, you got to watch a lot of videos on YouTube to keep yourself on the right path. Or you just someone that you don't really need any of those things, and you can just turn it on and boom, you're there. More power to you if you are. That's awesome. There's a lot of things that I can turn on and just focus and stuff like that. But I like to keep myself grounded. I like to watch a lot of videos on YouTube and like listen to audiobooks. So that helps keep me grounded. Tools, things that you'll need for your business. Just the bare and essential things that you really need. You don't really need a whole lot. Some markets, there's some products out there where you don't need anything at all. They're already done for you. Have like done for you products already where all you have to do is just send a link out. Which my personal #1 affiliate program that I'm in right now has that kind of done for you system where all you have to do is send a link out, and everything else is all, once you click on the link, customer will see everything that goes on beyond there. They'll see the rabbit hole and they'll travel down it, and it's awesome from there. But I'm not here to try to drive you traffic to my personal, you don't have to join my program if you don't want to. That's perfectly fine. I'm here to help, elevate you, teach you, and help you grow. And at the same time, it's helping me grow because I'm getting out of my comfort zone when it comes to videos and things like that. I like to be, I'm an open person. I like to talk. I like to, even in my previous businesses, I like to, confront and talk to customers and so on and so forth. So I'm that kind of people person. So getting in front of a camera and expressing myself, it's a little uncomfortable. At the same time, I'm getting more comfortable because I'm doing more and more videos. So this stuff is getting easier and easier for me. So, you might want to tackle that because that's a free market right there. YouTube is a free market. If you need customers for your business and you can't afford to do any type of paid advertising, this is a free advertising source for yourself. Facebook's a free advertising source. Twitter, Instagram, all those other social networks are all free, sources for yourself. Grow them. Grow one at a time if you need to. You ain't gotta grow them all at the same time because it takes a lot of work. So my main focus right now is my channel, and that's that is the easiest way to grow. To get me more customers, get me more subscribers to my channel. So if you do like my video, please like and subscribe to my video. I would greatly appreciate that. And I will, once again, keep on, updating you with more and more content, giving you more and more value. So once again, I appreciate you watching my video. So once again, going back into tools here, some things that you would need. You need a funnel system. These done for you, like I was talking about, my done for you has a whole funnel system set up, so it's completely done for me. And that funnel system basically send a link out, gives you a capture page. Person goes to that capture page and they give their name, they give their email address, and from that point, I now have your name, I have your email, and you go into a database, into a system which is called an email autoresponder system. That's another tool. That's a second tool. Which is really, you really need that for your business because you want to be able to keep track of your customers. You want to be able to keep on sending them more and more stuff later on in the future. Because once you have them, they're yours forever. And, and that's value on its own right there. To be able to keep on marketing to the same customers. You're already in that. They already know what market you're in. They are, they agree to, to get more info and stuff like that. So there you have it with that. Another tool that you can utilize is you need some type of tracking software that can track where people are coming from, where you're sending out traffic. If you're sending out traffic and paying for advertising, or you're doing free advertising, you want to know where they're coming from. So if you're doing more than one thing, My video just blocked out. I hope that didn't come out on the video, but if it did, I do apologize. But yeah, you want to be able to track where people are coming from. If you're doing stuff on Facebook, you can do like a code at the end of your link that you can track that they're coming from Facebook. Same way as you can track they're coming from YouTube or coming from any other source that you're utilizing. So you want to use those things there. There's many other ways to get, like I said, you're talking about getting traction to your site and stuff like that. Like I said, you have free and then you have paid. You can do Facebook advertising. That's a paid source. YouTube ads also is another paid source. You have solo ad programs such as like Udemy. That's also a paid source too. You get great traffic from all those three sources there. And you can, once you have a conversion tracker in place and you're tracking where they're coming from, it makes it easier for you to focus on those areas. So if you're getting a lot of traffic coming from strictly just YouTube, then you can just drill that down. If you know you're getting a lot of traffic coming from Facebook advertising, then you can hone in on that and max it out and keep on, increasing the advertising in that direction. Because that's where most of your cash flow is coming from. So you don't want to focus on the weaker areas. You want to focus on the strong areas. Scale those up. Any other things I could think of that would be beneficial to you? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything else you'll learn throughout the way, and as I'll also keep on putting out videos of things that I didn't touch on in this video here. I like to keep my videos short and get them straight to the point so that you are getting the knowledge that you need to get started. And from there, if you do, like say for instance, if you come into my business, that'll be awesome. I'll be here to help you out step by step, and my mentor will be here to help you out step by step, because I'm mirroring everything that he's doing and so on and so forth. And he's successful, I'll be successful. I'm not sitting here on this video preaching to you that I'm making thousands and thousands of dollars. No, I'm not. I will. And even when I do get it, I'm not going to be sitting here blasting you out saying, yeah, I got this, and throwing cash all out here. No. Keep it simple, keep it honest, keep it factual. And that's what this is all about. Because you want people to, stay with you. You don't want to lose followers or anything like that. And you don't want to waste people's times and blowing a lot of smoke up them and everything else. You don't want to do those kind of things because, it's bad business, man. If you're anyone like myself where you've been in other businesses in the past and, like say for instance, like multi-level marketing business and things like that, where you have to go out here and talk to your friends and your family. I personally don't want to talk to my friends and family about my businesses. If they'll come to me if they see what I'm doing and, and they see that I'm doing a lot of positive things, then they'll come to me. But I don't need to go out there chasing for them. And I don't have to go out here chasing for you. So you're either going to like my video or you're not going to like my video. You're either going to follow me or you're not going to follow me. So that's where it's at with that. So having that strong mindset and matter, and knowing that you don't need to talk to your friends and family. All you really need to do is go out here, start making content, start driving traffic to whatever product it is that you're doing. If you need to start off the free route, go for the free route and, and really concentrate on that. Like I said, I can't stress it enough. YouTube is a great resource, and I'm going to take it to its full potential. And you're going to see, you're going to look at the numbers. You're going to see how many, views I got. Probably right now, as you're seeing this video, is going to be none. That's fine. What is going to be 3 months from now? What's it going to be 6 months from now? That's the question. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, follow me, and I appreciate you. Have a great day and go out there and crush it.